Introducing the 2023 Volkswagen Touareg 3.0 TDI 4M with 231 horsepower and all the features you could ever dream of. This sleek van comes in a stunning grey exterior colour and is powered by a 3-litre diesel engine with automatic transmission. From its comfortable interior with air conditioning and satellite navigation to its advanced safety features like multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking, this vehicle has it all. Not only does this vehicle offer unbeatable convenience with features like Bluetooth, phone connectivity and power boot close, but it also promises top-notch security with its smart card entry and lane departure warning system, with roof rails, stop and start system, and facial gesture control. This Volkswagen Touareg is the pinnacle of luxury. Rest assured that this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on this exceptional vehicle.